In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wiggle effect to your layers in After Effects. This technique is useful for creating dynamic, unpredictable movement, perfect for adding a touch of natural motion to your animations. Let's dive right in and start with opening your After Effects project. Once you've got your project loaded up, the first thing you need to do is select the layer you want to animate. This could be text, an image, or any other element you want to bring to life with a bit of randomness. Now that you've selected your layer, you'll want to reveal the property that you are interested in animating with the wiggle effect. Depending on what you want to move, you'll press a specific shortcut key. For instance, press P for position, S for scale, or R for rotation. These shortcuts make navigating After Effects much faster and help keep your workflow smooth and efficient. With your property now visible, hold down the Alt key if you're using Windows, or the Option key if you're on a Mac. While holding down the key, click on the stopwatch icon next to the property you're modifying. This is an important step because it enables something called expressions in After Effects. Expressions allow you to create complex animations without manually keyframing every movement. Once you've clicked the stopwatch, you'll see an expression field open up. This is where the magic happens. In that field, you'll type the following expression: wiggle, frequency, amplitude. Now, let's break down what this expression does. The term frequency represents how many times per second you'd like the animation to wiggle or move. Meanwhile, amplitude determines how much you want the object to move during each wiggle. This could be pixels for position changes or degrees if you're adjusting rotation. To give you an example, if you type wiggle, 3, 15, you're telling After Effects that you want roughly 3 wiggles per second with a movement of plus or minus 15 units. This will create a gentle and almost rhythmic motion that's randomized so it feels organic yet controlled. After typing your expression, simply hit Enter or Return on your keyboard to apply it. Now it's time to preview your composition. Press the spacebar to watch your layer in action. You should see it randomly moving or wiggling according to the parameters you set. Remember, you can always tweak the frequency and amplitude until you achieve the desired effect. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to introduce dynamic movement to your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy animating.